This is Kenny, and this is to all you skeptics about how beautiful a blizzard could be. It's Christmas morning. My dad wanted me to take a video of his new TV that he got from his uncle, or from my uncle. So there it is right there. And I wanted to show you all the cool nerd stuff that I got. Here we go. It's beginning to look a lot like Zombies, a book of zombie Christmas carols. And Munchkin. Very cool. Everybody say hi. That's my mom.
Hi.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Okay, alright, so I'm going outside now.
Merry Christmas.
It's freezing outside.
And
Careful.
it's definitely freezing. Oh! Oh! Okay, it's really, really cold. And I don't know how well the video is going to show the blowing snow. But you can see the only tracks are the ones that I've made. Everything's beautiful and white, and you can barely see like 5 feet in front of your face. That's pretty awesome. We're supposed to get another 5 to 6 inches of the stuff. So anyway, that's the 2009 Christmas blizzard.